Hello viewers, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.
It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beauty.
Hello kids, good to see you again. Today we're taking the subject English language and the topic today is mood. The subtopic for today's class is indicative mood. Before I continue this lesson, I'd like to introduce myself to you. My name is Auntie Olivia. Moving on. What is mood? The big question. Let's go. Mood is a grammatical feature of verbs used for signaling modality or mannerism in which an action is shown. It is used when writing or speaking to express attitude of what is being said or written. It's simply telling us the manner at which, or the tone, it comes in the tone, the tone of our voice, the tone in writing, because when you write something, the tone of what you feel is actually expressed in your write-ups, okay? So that is what mood is really looking into. So today we want to look at the types of mood, all right? So what are the types of mood? There are three major types of mood. We have the indicative mood, the imperative mood, and the subjunctive mood. In today's class, we're dealing with the indicative mood. Most of the time in our daily lives, without even knowing it, we use the indicative mood to interact within each other, whether in writing or speaking. So let's know more. Let's look more into the indicative mood. What is indicative mood? Indicative mood is a verb form used to express a statement of facts. You see, it is on the line, a statement of facts or question. The indicative mood is a verb form used to express a statement of facts or question. Let's go on. It is used to indicate what the writer or speaker considers to be a known fact. It's talking about certainty there. Certainty. The level of certainty is so sure. You see, that's what it is there. So the indicative mood, whenever you think or you hear about the indicative mood, just know we're talking about statement of fact. You're certain about what you're saying. You're certain about what the writer is saying, or what the writer has written, or what the speaker is saying. Okay? So that's what the indicative mood is about. Let's take a few examples of the indicative mood. The first one would be Jack sings every Friday. If you watch the indicative verb in this sentence, he sings. The writer is so specific, so short, very on point. Jack sings every Friday. He didn't say, I think Jack sings on Fridays. He didn't say, maybe Jack sings, or maybe Jack would sing on Friday. No. Jack sings every Friday. It is very certain. It is specific facts. All right? So that is what the first sentence is saying, and that means the indicative mood. All right? Now, number two sentence is Jack the lead vocalist? If you watch, this one is in question form. Is Jack the lead vocalist? All right? So indicative mood, remember we said, also deals with questions, right? So it's asking if Jack is a lead vocalist. The third example says, I want to be famous. I want to be famous. You can as well say BC wants to be famous, right? So it is certain. The level of certainty in the tune of what is written or what is being said. Please look out for that. The fourth sentence says, Roy plays lawn tennis every Saturday. Roy plays lawn tennis every Saturday. In other words, I am very certain that Roy is going to pick up his lawn tennis bat to play lawn tennis on Saturday. right? If I also want to play lawn tennis on Saturday, I am sure that Roy is going to be at the court on Saturday, so I can join him, right? Good. Now, number 5 says, does my project require research? That's another question. Does my project require research? So that's what the indicative mood is dealing with. Statement of fact or questions, all right? I know that there are textbooks that will actually break this down. Like some will tell you that there are 5 types of mood. But we are talking about the major types of mood, and there are 3 of them. So thank you very much, children, for watching. We have come to the end of this class. You can play this video over and over again in order to pick or remind yourself wherever you have missed out, you replay it, okay? So please, before you go, or rather, in our next class, we're going to be looking at the imperative mood. So before you go, please, I'd like that you register to join our classes on Edmodo to see more of our lessons. You can view our classworks on the subjects that we treat here. You can view our classworks, you can view our assignments and notes, and also participate in our Zoom classes. Because in our Zoom classes, we do a proper interaction with our pupils. So I hope to see more of you. Thank you very much.